Good morning, students. So today we will study about a new chapter. That is your chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is Input and Output Devices. Okay. With the help of this input and output devices, you can give an input to a computer, and after receiving the input from our side, the computer will what give an output, process the input, and after that the computer will give us a output, okay, based on our input. Okay, now we will learn about input devices. So what are input devices? See, input devices are those devices which are used to enter data and information to a computer. So with the help of input devices you can enter a data. Okay, suppose 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so it is a data. Okay, you are giving as a input. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Let me show you. So this is your input. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. No, 1 plus 1 is your input. Okay, and equal to, you have given this input, so 1 plus 1 is your input. You have given this input via keyboard. So, and after processing, the computer will give answer 2. So this is your output. 2 is your output and 1 plus 1 is your input. Okay, now see, now what will you give input? Okay, you will give input to this keyboard. Okay, with the help of the keyboard you will give input. So what is a keyboard? A keyboard is a input device used to key in text and numbers. Okay, so the help of keyboard you can give input in text and numbers directly into a computer. Okay, a standard computer keyboard is called what? Quadri keyboard. So this is a quadri keyboard. Why it is called quadri keyboard? Because in the first letter it starts from, see, key WURTY. Okay, key WURTY. So this is known as your quadri keyboard. Now mouse, you know what is a mouse? Okay, so mouse is a commonly used pointing device. If it fits easily under the palm of your hand. Okay, a mouse usually has two more buttons. Okay, left click and right click, and there is a middle click. And if you use a gaming mouse, then there are many buttons. Okay, on the top and a scroll wheel at the center. So there is also a scroll wheel at the center. The way we move a mouse on the mouse pad, the way you move a mouse on the mouse pad, suppose you are moving on left, the computer cursor will also go to left. Okay, the pointer moves in the same direction. Okay, most mice are roller ball or optical type. Mice mean the plural form of mouse. So here a collection of mouse has been what said. So it is known as mice. Okay, now see, what is a ball mouse? See, there is a track ball. Okay, inside the mouse. So this is known as ball mouse. Another known as optical mouse. A ball mouse has a ball present underneath the mouse that rolls the that rolls sorry a ball mouse has a ball present underneath the mouse that rolls as the mouse moves. Okay, the cursor on the screen of the monitor follows the movement of the mouse. So as the ball moves, the cursor also moves on the monitor screen. Okay, it means your computer screen. Now what is a optical mouse? A optical mouse uses a light beam and sensor to detect the movement of the screen. So in your ball mouse, your trackball is used, and in optical mouse, light is used. Okay, now see, what is a touchpad? Touchpad is used in laptops. Okay, so what is a touchpad? A touchpad is a input device often found in laptop computers. PDA means what? Personal digital assistance. Okay, it is used in place of regular mouse. So with the, if you don't have a mouse, you can use trackpad on your laptop. Okay, there is another option that you can use. You move the finger over the surface of the touchpad and the pointer moves accordingly. Okay, or correspondingly across the screen of the track, sorry, or to across the screen of the monitor. Okay, suppose you have moved your finger on the left side. So see, look at this screen. I am moving my finger on the left side. Okay, this is my touch screen phone. I am making videos, so I am moving it on left side. The cursor is also moving on left side in real time. Okay, now see, what is a trackball? Trackball works the same way as a mouse, but it looks like an upside down mouse because the ball is on top. Here the ball is on top, and see, here the ball is inside. Okay, so trackball is a different thing. Okay, works in the same way as a mouse, but it looks an upside down not mouse, because the ball is on the top. Okay, rolling only the ball with your hand moves the pointer on the screen. So you will move this ball like this and the pointer will move. Okay, trackballs are mainly used if there is not space for a mouse, example in particle computer. So whenever there is less space in your desk, so trackballs can be used. Okay, and this is used in music production also, trackball. Now we come to joystick. Joysticks are used for gaming. Okay, a joystick is often used for computer games and drawing on the screen. Okay, the cursor on the screen moves on the same direction with the joystick is pushed. So like this, top means two axes, your x and y axis. Okay, if you move this, okay, on your y axis, okay, if you move this on y axis it will move on this side, and if you move it on x axis it will go on this side. Now see what is a light pen. Okay, now see we come across light pen. Okay, with light pen you can draw, okay, on the touchpad. Light pen is similar in shape as ballpoint pen. When the pen is moved across the screen, its position is sensed because light it releases. Because of the light it releases. Okay, light pen is used to draw images on the screen. It can be also used to make selection on the screen. Okay, the selection is made by simply pointing the pen and pressing the button on the pen. So with the help of a light pen you can select certain things, and you can, I think, draw also with the help of light pen in your this screen. And when you press the button in your pen, a light comes out of the pen. Now touch screen, you know what is touch screen. Everything now is touch screen, your phone, your ATM and all. So a touch screen is a screen through which data can be entered by just touching it with a finger. Okay, touch screen are used for a person like doctor who may be wearing gloves. Okay, he can easily point to a selection on the screen instead of trying to press the keys on keyboard. Okay, so you type on your phone with the help of virtual keyboard. No, the keyboard opens on your screen, স্ক্রিনের উপরে কিবোর্ডটা এসে তারপরেই তো টাইপ করো না. So this is what it is explained here. Okay, touch screens are also used in mobile phones, iPods and other handheld devices. Okay, so with this we come an end to our this class. If you find anything confusing, you can comment on this comment section of this video. Okay, thank you.